Hello folks, welcome back to another lesson. This one is going out for Kai over at Patreon. He requested Love Reign Over Me, a very specific version, the VH1 Rock Honors performance by Pearl Jam. So we're doing a Who cover on a live version of it at that. Standard tuning, mainly going to focus on Mike's parts because they're the fun bits really. In terms of tones, he uses quite a fuzzy tone in this actually. So I'm going to use the Benson Stonk box because first off, it's got a great sort of dirt tone really, but the solo I think it nails the lead stuff that he plays, so we're going with that. Now this is in 12/8, so it's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. The intro actually is on the piano. It's just playing that over and over again, right? Then we're going to come in with the orchestra, which is behind me, obviously. Just kidding. We're going to do a D. To a C, just power chords basically. That goes around twice. Then we're into this little lead part. And then rest the second time. So pretty straightforward. I don't think I need to go through that again. You've got the tab there, and frankly, I'm sure you already can play it. But the next part is Stone, really, which is very Pete Townsend, isn't it? So it's an A sus4 for one bar, and then A. But with that. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Back into the D to C part. And then you're back around into the lead riff. That's going... This time I think he does the full run, and I'm going exactly by that live performance. That's what I hear anyway. And the second time is repeated exactly the same. So let's do it slowly. So there. Then I go 12th fret, using my little finger again. First finger down to 7th. Then I stay with my fingers in their sort of allotted spaces, right? So I go 10, 8, 7. Same again, right? A sus4 to A. Then we go to F major. To D major, right? But Mike's playing this. So it's a 5-bar phrase repeated twice. So 3 bars of F major, and he's playing, you know, part of that sort of C shape. third bar though is... And then stay on the 7th fret for 2 bars. Then you play that whole thing round twice. Then you go same chords, but you're going to play... Pretty cool, right? So full F chord, but then you go, it's the sus 4, right? 3 3 1 1. So your little finger just gets, you know, tucked in there. And then D. Just strumming that out for 2 bars. That whole thing goes around 3 times, and then we're into Mike's solo. Now this is very Mike in that it's not, you know, kind of played bang on the beat, right? Just basically lots of feel. So don't worry about it too much, but I've tabbed it out like this. So we have... something like that, right? But he's kind of rushing into it, so it's... You know, he's kind of doing a double slide. Yes, you slide with your third and then your first. Okay? You could just keep it simple if you want. But if you want to make it a bit more interesting, you can play 3 4. Something along those lines. Then... Okay, so the third bar is... Little... Playing the same note, right? But for that last phrase there, and then little slide at the end. So those 4 bars again. Then he goes up to the 14th fret. Again, you'll see him playing... Can't remember if he's using his second finger or his third, but he's not using his first finger, right? So he's got, you know, his first finger kind of muting the string below, so you can, you're really digging and not worry about hitting other strings. And then you're going to do 1 2 3 1 2 3 1, and then change. Then you go, you know, into a little ascending run. But we go... Change his position here, 12th fret. Then we've got these super quick hammer-ons, grace note hammer-ons. That's the end of the solo, right? So that last part again. And that is it. Essentially then all we have is... two of those again, and then the outro is just... That's just a D5 with A in the bass to end. And you are done. Hope you enjoyed that one, Kai. Thanks for suggesting it. See you soon.